Hi, my name is Jinal. Today we will talk about scope management. It is divided into 5 procedures, that is plan scope management, collect requirement, define scope, work breakdown structure, that is also known as WBS, and last but not the least we will talk about establish change control. What is scope? What is scope planning? Scope involves getting information required to start a project and the features the product would have that would meet its stakeholders' requirements. Okay, we will talk about total scope management. It is divided into 4 parts. Project scope, that includes features, functions, and talking about product scope, it defines characterize a product, service or results and how to deliver a product service that specified features and functions. Together it is also known as total scope management. Collect requirements. Every day we need to complete different projects. So how to collect stakeholder input? To be clear on the project objectives, the first one. Second, we will talk about gather stakeholders input. We need 3 types of input, that is needs, risk and issues. What is defined scope? The process of developing a detailed description of the project and a product. Why we need to define scope? All other planning is based on the project scope, that is aid to preventing scope creep. How to define scope? That is divided into 4 procedures, that is list project deliverables, establish project boundaries, that includes 3 types in scope, outscope, understand constraints, and create a scope definition. Work breakdown structure, that is known as WBS. It is a tool used to divide project deliverables into smaller pieces, a framework for further planning, execution and control. That is divided into 3 parts: intended outlet format, organizational chart, and free format. Why use a WBS? It adds discipline and visibility to project planning on the basis for planning schedule, resources, cost, quality and risk. It is also useful in determining where and why problems occur, helpful in project communications. How to construct a WBS? It includes a subject matter expert, that is SME. It is used as a top-down approach. It also considers WBS from a previous project as a starting point. That is divided into project phase, design components, work function, or also a sub-project. Establish change control. It is a projects that are conducted in an atmosphere of uncertainty. Plans must be made for further dealing with change. Now we will talk the last part, that is using MS Project for work breakdown structures, WBS. Here we will talk about 5 functions, that is how to understand WBS definitions and displays, enter summaries, create the outline for your WBS, insert row, number, column. Last but not the least, hide or show the desired amount of detail. Okay, today we have learned about scope planning to determine interim deliverables and work to perform, organize scope into a work breakdown structure, WBS, decompose the project into smaller and smaller pieces, assign WBS components, create the project by hand or use MS Project to create the WBS. Thank you.